Namaste. Welcome to Kefi Souls.
Hi friends. So we are moving to last two step of our Surya Namaskar. Okay. So let's come to 8th step first. So this is our 8th step. From here we will take this leg in front, in between both the hands. Look straight. Yeah. So this is our 9th step. 9th step is same as 2nd step. And 10th step is same as 1st step. From here we'll go up, inhale, lengthen yourself, lengthen, up, chest raise and namaste. So here we complete our Surya Namaskar. So for 9th and 10th step you need to watch video step number 1 and step number 2, wherein we have shown you the correction, how that needs to be done with proper alignment. So hope this whole video session was very helpful to you.
Thank you, Jeet, for that information. Like you mentioned, to watch step number 1 and 2, I would suggest each one of you to watch each of the steps we have created. Why? Because we have showed the mistakes, we have showed the corrections, which will help you to perform the entire Surya Namaskar. Stay tuned with us because we are going to show the entire flow and share it with you all very soon. Thank you very much.